Andrew here, Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, 704-966-1650. Option 3 for free technical support. We're going to talk about error code 566, door open mode steam temp hardware. Steam AD converter reports an average value outside the limits for normal operation during the door open mode. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is make sure your sterilizer is level. It should be on a nice level flat surface. The front should not be way higher than the back. The back should not be way higher than the front. Get a level, run it across the front and run it across the back. Make sure it's in its lines. You're good to go as far as that is concerned. The next thing is the temperature sensor is malfunctioning. You're going to want to pull all the instruments out, pull all the trays out. You're going to see your temp sensor. It's in the middle. It's this little probe sticking out. Usually they're bent, but make sure nothing's stuck to it. Make sure no paper, tape, anything is stuck to it. Clean it with an abrasive pad with distilled water and speed clean, and then run an empty cycle. Pull all the instruments out. Make sure they're not leaning on it, and rule that completely out. Run an empty cycle, and if the problem persists, then we'll dig a little bit deeper. Another thing, so when we dig deeper, is we'll have to take the right side panel off. Before you do that, you're going to unplug the unit, take the right side panel off, then plug the unit back in. We're going to look at this specific connector. We might unplug it, replug it in. When we take it out, we're going to probably tug on those wires or hold on to the plastic and see if the connections on the inside are moving. We can adjust those possibly, but let's talk about that, at a later date. You can perform a resistance test with that. You can also, if we perform the resistance test, we can determine that the temp sensor is bad. Let's talk on tech support and get a multimeter before we do that. And then furthermore, we can test through diagnostic mode. We can test the functionality of the temp sensor with the PC board. May possibly ruling that it is or isn't a main PC board issue. That is a possible action. So error code Charlie 566. If you like this video, please share it. Subscribe to our channel for more autoclave videos. Midmark, Tuttenauer. Have a great day.